Here we go, guys. Just a real quick video, a review over gold, silver, and copper. A number of people have been asking about why, we're kind of hesitating here. Prices not continuing higher for those contracts, for those futures on gold, silver, and copper. And everything you need to know about the chart is generally on the left-hand side, okay? The right-hand side, we haven't marked this up yet, so there's nothing to go on. But the left-hand side, as you see here, previous resistance, again, going over those uh, pivots, high pivot here, couldn't get over it. Little consolidation here, little pause candle, that red candle, then we're able to get over it. And then we have this consolidation zone here, and price, which is a little, too extended, so it pulled back. So that's what we're dealing with. All that previous resistance zones is going to give us our gold anyway, give us a bit of a headache here getting up there. Now, right here, I talked about that pause candle. That's what we might be looking at here. Of course, we don't know that until it confirms tomorrow. We'll either be obviously either green to the upside or red, meaning this was a reversal. So that's why we wait till the end of the day or wait till the next day for confirmation rather than just trading or getting in here on a feeling or a thought or emotion. We don't like to trade on emotions. Like to have a little hard data and facts, but still have 6 hours to go, so anything could happen. The higher up, the smaller this red candle is, higher the odds, higher probability we could get follow through, break through this stuff tomorrow. And then guess what? This up here is going to be your next. I'll put the blue line up here. That's going to be your next potential resistance area if we break the red dash line either today, over the next 6 hours or tomorrow. Okay, let's look at silver. Kind of the same story, but we do have kind of a double hit here. We have a measured move that our members know how to calculate. Matter of fact, that gray dash line has a 90% probability of working as resistance coming up, and then of course the price coming down, 90% probability of helping with support. Also here, reason why silver's pulling back, we have this high pivot here that was a real strong sell-off. So people that were buying in this zone, what are they doing now? They're just, they might be scared. They have seen or heard any, FUD lately. Uh, they're probably selling off, but really not bad. That's just a very small, spinning top indecision candle here. So we could very well, not financial advisor anyway or anything, but we could. Of course, we have 6 hours to go before we close, and we don't want a big sell-off candle. If it's closing where it is now, or of course, higher the better, or green in even, that helps us possibly break out here tomorrow. Okay. And then also, well, where that red dash line is a high pivot. And like I was talking about earlier, big, strong sell-off. So that's, we've eaten all that up, as you see, as we've moved up. So that's very bullish. And then, of course, up here, we have one, two, uh, pivot zones up here. That's going to be a little problematic, but we'll, deal with that when we get there. Matter of fact, I might just leave that up there. And then if you want to, if you think silver is going to make a major breakout, a lot of people are talking about, $50, $60, even into, well, a lot higher, triple digits on silver. Right here with the micro futures, you can control, 3,000 ounces of silver for a pretty good investment, or even 1,000. Okay, or that's the starting. You can buy one contract, a little over, 2 grand, which is not bad to hold 1,000 ounces of silver and control that. But anyway, here's copper. Um, and our measured move here, gold line, also right through here, all that resistance. Well, guess what? Yeah, even coming into it Friday, it was a little headache trying to get through there. And then over here, so that resistance goes all the way back to the end of April. So that's one of the little use one of the little tips you can do is, you know, watch for those pivots, consolidation zones as you're coming up, because they can be potential resistance zones. And also, this green dash line is a measured move too. And as you can see, it did exactly what it's supposed to. Hold the price as you're coming back down into it. But anyway, guys, if you want to learn how to do this stuff, if you want to learn how to, hold quite a bit of silver for a lot less than going out and buy physical silver, we have our 50% off actually. Uh, Introduction to micro futures trading, and then we also go over the charts and show you how to get in, get out, things of that nature. Go long, go short, and especially holding physical silver and gold. As things are coming down, uh, it's kind of nerve-wracking. You know how it is. Normally, you buy at the high, and then it's coming down. But with the futures, you can go in there and short it, which is very easy to do. And as it's coming down, you don't feel so bad. That's what the institutions do in order to compensate for their either longs or short positions. They just do the opposite with the futures market. And so can you through these micro futures, are like a tenth the size of the standard futures. So the average guy can get in there and play with the big boys. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you on the charts.